Today I'm going to be doing the sense box from HackTheBox, and it's labeled as easy. This should be a relatively quick video. I have done two things. I've done an Nmap scan, which we can take a look at first. The IP of this box is 10.10.10.60. We see that two ports are open, port 80 and 443, and we see that port 80 directs us to, or redirects us to, the HTTPS port. We see some certificate information here, but this time we don't see a domain name. So the first thing that we'll do is go to this URL, say OK to the certificate, and we're presented with a login box. So we can see that this is a pfsense software. So pfsense is an open source firewall. So we need to somehow bypass this login screen here. I've already gone ahead and done an Nmaps, done a Go Buster on this. And in particular, I was looking for TXT files. We see that there are two TXT files available to us. We have a changelog and a system users. If we have a look at the changelog first, we see there's a security changelog, the issues. So they were having issues updating the firewall. Manual patching is therefore required. 2 out of 3 vulnerabilities have been patched, so there's one more available, and this will be done in the next maintenance window. We have a look at the system users. So this is a ticket of some kind, and please create the following user, Rohit, and the company defaults here. So we have a username, which is good, but we need to find out what the company defaults are. So if we type into Google pfsense default username password, and the default credentials are admin and pfsense, so let's try that. So Rohit needs to have a small r, and straight away we are in. We see that the version is 213 here. So let us see if we can find an exploit for this. For this, I'll just use a search exploit pfsense. And there are many versions here. So we're looking for 213. That's directory transferal. And this will be a good one. So is anything less than 214 here? So let's have a look at this. And this is just a Python script, Python free script. So this script will return a reverse shell on a specified listener address and port. Sounds good to me. Let's copy that to our working directory. IP address, so our IP is 10.10.14.14. Let's set up a netcat listener on 1.2.3.4. So then it's Python 4.3 that, Python 3. We do -- help, I think. Yeah. Okay, so these are our parameters that we need to put in. So the R host is 10, 10, 10, 60. The L host is us, 10, 10, 14, 14. The L port is 1234, the listening port. Our user name is Rohit. Our password is pfsense. I think that is it. And straight away we are in, and we have root access. wc-c user.txt, 32 bits, so that's the user flag. And there's our root flag. And yeah, that is it. Real quick video. Thank you for watching.